if you want to see a purely serous gland and its secretory units, you can use a section of the parotid gland, such as this one. So you can see, even from the lowest magnification 40x, that all the secretory units are dark in color, which gives us an idea that um, the secretion is serous in nature. So these cracks here are artifacts. So you don't have to focus on it. So let's try to focus on areas where there are no artifacts. But I think it's quite difficult with this section. Anyway, let's try to use higher magnification at 400x. And here, although it's very difficult to see the delineation, we can assume that these are your secretory units. And since that nuclei are all rounded and the cytoplasm is darkly staining, we can say that the secretory units of the salivary gland is purely serous. If we will classify its shape, since you can see the complicated duct system, we can say that this is already compound to below acinar in nature, since the secretory units don't have big lumens. But other references would still classify this as compound to below alveolar, since for them, acinar and alveolar is interchangeable. And like, of course, this is exocrine type of gland since you have your ducts and multicellular.